These templates will work on 2018 or above versions. I have also included the font required for this project. Let me show you how to edit these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install Mograts. Install all Mograts one by one. Select any template and place it on the timeline. Here in the Edit tab, I have added many controllers. You can change the main text, subtext, and its font here. Premiere Pro 2018 users can scale text here. Change subtext here. Here you can change the font. Change rectangle stroke colors from here. I will suggest you to change the template position from the Effects control panel, not from the Edit tab, otherwise rectangle gradient color will affect. That's it. Thanks for watching.